What's up guys, welcome back to another episode of Mind Something. If you're new here, my name is Jake, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to install Rigel. This is a new miner that works on Nexa, so this makes the third miner, and we've got a new release here. As you can see, the supported algorithms, we got Caspa, Nexa, and a few others here. Shows your dev fees and available features, and you've got your commands and a bunch of other helpful information there. If you're looking for the download, if you'll click latest here on the right side, then you're going to look for the Windows version, and we'll go over how to install this on HiveOS on a later video, but for now Windows, just going to select that, start the download. And one thing you need to make sure you do is go to your update and security in settings, then Windows security, and you're going to need to disable virus and threat protection temporarily, otherwise it's going to assume that this is malicious. And I do highly recommend that you get it directly from GitHub, not anywhere else, just to be on the safe side. So go back in, choose your file, and then we're going to select show in folder. And I want to make a new folder for this, so I'm going to right click, new folder. We're going to rename this Rigel, and then we're going to right click, we're going to cut it from here, and then we're going to paste it into this new folder that we've created. And then we're going to extract the files here. And there you go, you've just installed it. Now you do need to edit your bat file. So we're going to go to Nexa, right click, and we're going to go to edit. And here you have your default information which you need to change. So we want to go ahead and grab the correct stratum. I'm going to get that using another bat file that I have already installed. So we'll go ahead and grab the wallet address first. Just going to paste it over this area right here. And let's go back to this bat file and grab the stratum. Now notice this stratum ends with a 5. This is specifically for solo mining, so if you want PPLNS or pool mining, just need to make sure that it ends in a 4 instead of a 5. Alright, so we can add our overclocks here if we wanted to, but they're going to be different than BzMiner, so we need to make sure that we get the proper command line text, and we can find that in their GitHub as well. So if we just back up a page and scroll down towards the bottom, we should see something for core clock and something for memory clock. So here's memory clock, there's lock core clock, and here's lock memory clock. So a few other things, power limit, fan control, yada yada. Alright, so now that we know what we need to put in here, let's go ahead and go back into our settings now. And what you're going to do is you're going to create an exclusion for this file and for this folder. You're going to find that in the same place where you turned off real-time protection. Just a little further down you'll see exclusions. You're going to put add or exclude specific file. So we're going to do a file first, and then we're going to go find the Nexa file. There we go. So we're just going to hit open there, and now we have a new exclusion. Now we need to add a folder exclusion. And there we go. So now that we've done this, we could go launch that bat file and just confirm that it's working. Let me go ahead and shut this other miner down. Go ahead and adjust our power limits and our fan here, because I don't know what overclocks are going to apply, so just want to be on the safe side here. Okay, so we're going to save this folder, or excuse me, save this file. Make sure that you have .bat at the end of it. If you don't, you could potentially run into an issue where it doesn't know what type of file it is, even if you change it from text documents to all files. So we're going to save this as a copy. Again, select all files. Make sure it says .bat. Hit save. And by the way, we did label this one as a copy instead of the file that we just excluded. So we need to go back in here and create an exclusion for the new copied version that we did. So another file, and this time we want to select the copy. Okay, now we can go launch our bat file and confirm that it's working. So on this particular 3080 Ti, I was getting 64 megahash. Oh, by the way, that's the error that you'll see if you don't exclude the file. I was in BzMiner. Let me find the copy here. So I was getting about 64 to 66 megahash at about 193 watts. Let's see what we can get on Rigel. Alright, 80 megahash at roughly 207 watts. Interesting. Now, of course, that means nothing. The only thing that really matters is what you're getting on the pool. And right now it shows that we're getting about 90, but it just started. It's going to take some time. Probably need to dial in the overclocks here. But yeah, that should get you going. And don't forget, go back into your virus and threat protection and turn it back on. Very important. And that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the content. Do me a favor, hit that like and hit the subscribe on the way out.